Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm bringing you along as I try an experiment with my new air fryer. And right now I'm going to turn my air fryer on and let it be preheating just a little bit. Now, I like, Nikki, what are they called? Chocolate turnovers at a fast food restaurant that we have here, and they quit selling them. And I have some puff pastry, and when you get it, it will be in a pack and it's folded over. And it's folded, the whole sheet is like folded over. So I just took a quarter of the sheet, broke it off, and let this set out to defrost. And I'm just going to roll it out just a little bit. This is just something I want to try just to see if it works. And let me get this rolled out just a little bit, and then I'll cut the camera back on. Alrighty, and excuse the background noise. It's fine, I'm in the kitchen. And the kids are, and my nephew and all, they're playing a board game. And I told them it was fine. They didn't have to be quiet or nothing. But anyway, I have these. I'm using these little, it's chocolate squares. And you can also use just a chocolate candy bar, or you could use chocolate chips. Okay, it looks like I can make 4 little turnovers. No, you just took your hand off. I'm just going to kind of fold it over and pinch it shut. Let me get the other ones made, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, I have my 4 little packets made, so let me get you over to my air fryer. And I cut me out just a little piece of parchment paper. And I'm just going to set these in my basket.
Yeah, I can't get it out of start because I keep getting
Okay, this is what they look like in my pan.
You might as well just go ahead and do it.
I have mine set between the 3 and the 4, and I'm going to put it on for about 10 minutes. I'll check it after 5. It might take longer. I'll let you know. We'll see. And I did not brush them with an egg wash or anything like that. I'm just going to see if this works. Alright, after the 10 minutes, I wanted them to cook just a little bit longer, and I put them on for about between 3 and 4 minutes. I'm going to let these cool just a little bit. They did bust open just a little bit, but that's alright. This is just an experiment. As soon as that cools, I'll be back to try it. Alright, I'm going to try it.
Get someone to reach your pie for you.
Let's open it up that one.
Oh yeah, it's yours.
See, the chocolate's all nice and melted. There, I cut it open too. Looks good.
I just enjoyed that.
This is so good. So now, if I want a little snack or a little dessert, I can just pop off a little bit of that puff pastry, put me some chocolate in it.
Sorry.
Now that I know it works, I'm going to drizzle some chocolate glaze on top. But this is really good. I'm really enjoying this air fryer and just testing out new things. Alright, so thanks for watching and coming along with me as I try making this. And it was a success for me. So until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye y'all.